Hi, my name is Alfred and I'm here to introduce to you the new SANYO PLC-WL2503 interactive short throw projector. Here I have with me is a Apple computer with a PowerPoint presentation, and I will go through with you the most common applications: PowerPoint, Excel, Adobe, Reader, okay, and maybe if you're an engineering student, you might want to consider like visualization, running another OS on top of each other, and some other application. I will show you just how small a footprint is our application that you can run all these things without worry that it will ever hang your computer. Next, we will show you using a Lenovo laptop that is using a different resolution than an Apple, using VGA and then change to HDMI. Once you calibrate the projector, you need not have to calibrate it anymore. It's really simple. It's very useful to peace of mind that you don't have to worry about changing laptops and then you have to calibrate. You only need to calibrate once every laptop. It will stay in the memory in the application. It will stay that way. You can off your projector, you can off your laptop, go back, come back again, you can switch it on again. Just simple. Okay. We recommend the projector to be ceiling mount. Unfortunately, for this presentation, we just make do with a desktop because you can see there's lots of shadow. If it's ceiling mount, you can minimize the shadow that is obstructing the view and also maybe blocking the sensor. Okay, let's start with PowerPoint presentation. So each of our short throw projector will come with one of these infrared pen and a antenna type pen. It's very simple. Just click and PowerPoint presentation start. Okay. So you can also present a pie chart. Okay. Now I'm going to show you the tools on our menu bar. The first button is the mouse, okay, and maybe you have a right click and a left click, doesn't matter. Okay. This option is for you to choose the thickness of the pen. Okay, let's choose something here, and then you can have the choice of red, green, blue, black, or using highlighter, yellow, an eraser, or to erase all, or to undo, or to save the presentation. Now maybe we'll just choose a smaller pen, red maybe, okay. Let's say North America. Okay, the cells here, we want to highlight to you. Okay, maybe another color, green. You want to have a different color, you can calibrate. Purple seems nice. Okay, we'll just close this. We would say question mark. Maybe it's all export overseas. It's not domestic sales. Okay, here I just demonstrate to you that how you can actually use the pen and calibrate your own different colors. Okay, and to do a presentation, you can actually erase a portion of it. Okay, or you can click this button for the menu bar to shift over to the other side. Or you can click this to erase all. Okay. You can even just play a movie straight away. I'll stop the presentation and move on to the next slide. Okay, that's really easy. Now, what about these two buttons? It's actually for you to move up and down the slide. Move to another presentation, another part of it, or you can move back. Alright, that's really simple. Okay, another presentation maybe is you want to show people the brochure. Okay, it just behave like a normal mouse that people are so familiar with. It's a skill that they are already so used to, so you don't have to learn new stuff. Just remember, this is just like a mouse. Okay. Maybe you want to blow it up and discuss some portion of the drawing. You can shape very nicely. You can blow it up further, and then you can talk about the specifications. All right. And what about presentation? Okay, you can move up and down the slide, even if it's a PDF file or a Word file. Really simple. Okay. So we have the different pen to highlight the color. Okay. Next, do Excel. Okay. So it's very sensitive. Even the cell is very small. I can still do filtering. I want to, maybe not this cell, this cell. Okay, I want to have this smaller. You can do filtering really easy. Or you can have, maybe this is an accounting class and you want to discuss about figure. Okay, in this cash flow statement, maybe, let's see what you're going to do. Okay. Maybe you might want questions. Okay, each the cash flow symbol, because end of the day, do you need to take a loan or not? Okay, maybe this is not a realistic figure, so what do you do? Just move that here. Click on the mouse, highlight the cell you want to change. Okay. Now you can call up the on-screen keyboard. Okay, and say, I want to change the figure. Okay, I need a bigger loan amount. And straight away, your formula all change. Okay, so you can use this for an account discussion, or maybe you have a financial model that you want to discuss about, or maybe in engineering to increase the tensile strength and then what kind of a result. So you can use that. Erase all, then this is a final workpiece, and you can save it. Okay. Finally, I want to show you, this is, okay, this is a Microsoft Windows running on top of the Mac OS, okay, running on parallel. You can see just now it was on a screensaver mode. I can just tap, wake it up, and make it respond. Okay. So people will ask, what about, say I want to have left click, right click, sorry. Just tap onto the screen, hold for 3 seconds, and the menu will come up. Okay, so it's very easy. You can actually just use it like a mouse. You can scroll forward or backward. Backward. Just like a mouse. It's really simple. Okay. Maybe you have some drawings. For example, in the school, you do some modeling. So you can shift it, and it works just like a mouse. Okay. I like this. I want to move this away. And okay. I want to shift this block here. Okay. So you can use it just like a mouse, anything, because it's so simple. Okay. Now, what happens if I have another laptop, another presentation that I want to use, and it's of a different resolution? This is 1366 by 768. This is 1280 by 800. Okay. So let's change it. I will unplug the sensor. Okay. And plug in the new laptop. Okay, select the input to HDMI source. Yeah, this is the Lenovo. It's running on another resolution. So you see the screen size is different now. Okay. How do I know? Screen resolution. This is 1366 by 768. Okay. So I can just close it. Okay. Now what happens if I just unplug the HDMI? No display. Okay. Then I plug it back. The auto search will look for the signal, okay, but I want it to be back in the HDMI. You go by sequence. Okay, everything is back on. Just click. Okay, the Excel sheet. You can just call any file. It's that simple. Now, how do I do calibration? Okay, maybe I will show you the difference between if you're running on Windows and on Apple. Okay, so this one you will have to come back here and click on this computer. Notice the small box here. Try not to block the light path between the pen and the receiver. That's all. That's really simple. Now let's try it on the Mac. I'll remove the USB cable and plug in the other laptop. Then we change the input. Notice I've already calibrated for the Lenovo. What happened here? Okay, it's just the same. Okay, I can still move it forward because I have already calibrated on the machine, and it stays in the machine, in the memory. Okay, so I'm going to calibrate. There, it's done. It's really simple. It's only 13 points for calibration, so it's really easy as compared to other brands. So, and it is very accurate. I can actually do a lot more, just like using a mouse. It's that simple. Okay, now let's try another pointer, the antenna type. Okay, this comes packaged in all the SANYO WL2503. Okay, I can pause it, I can move it forward, and then I can click play. Okay, notice it's just like a mouse. You just need to click here. Okay, and I want to close this application, and I want to open up and play move. You can accelerate forward. You can also adjust the volume.
Accelerating and climbing also requires that you select an appropriate gear. Find a gear that...
Is that really simple? So, if you are considering an interactive short throw projector, think no further. SANYO PLC-WL2503.